Good morning, Gopal Reddy sir. Can you hear me?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you.
Sir?
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good
Good
morning,
morning, sir.
everyone.
Good morning.
A very pleasant morning to one and all. I am Lalita
And I am Tanuj.
from CMR College of Engineering and Technology. We both take the privilege of welcoming you all to the Smart India Hackathon. Having been the Nodal Center for 2 successive years, CMR College of Engineering and Technology is proudly associating with IIC MHRD for the third time in a row for hosting Smart India Hackathon. Software Edition 2020 on 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of August. In times of this pandemic, our team of student and faculty coordinators are equally enthusiastic and are working virtually in order to make this event a grand success.
It is an honor for us to introduce you to all our chief guests today's ceremony. Sri C.H. Narasimha Reddy Garu, Vice Chairman, CMR Group of Institutions. Sri C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, Secretary and Correspondent, CMR Group of Institutions. Sri C.H. Srisailam Reddy Garu, Secretary and Correspondent of CMR Engineering College. And our guests of honor, Dr. Major V.A. Narayana Garu, Principal, CMR SET. Dr. M. Jangareddy Garu, Director, CMR Institute of Technology. Dr. B. Satyanarayana Garu, Principal, CMR IT. Dr. Konde Abulu Garu, Principal, CMR Pharmacy. Dr. A. Rajireddy Garu, Director, CMR TC. Dr. A. Srinivasulu Reddy Garu, Principal, CMR EC. Dean and Training and Placement, Himabindu Ma'am. Dean Planning and Development, Dr. M. Sudhakar Garu. Dean Academics and Head of SEER, Dr. B. Lokeshwara Rao Garu. Dean Science, Technology and Innovation, Dr. MSR Murthy Garu. Dean Examinations and Evaluations, Dr. K. Srinivasa Rao Garu. Dean Faculty and Student Affairs, Professor S.B. Fatima Mary Ma'am. SEER Head, Saujanya Dundigal Ma'am. HOD CSC and Head of the Nodal Center, Dr. Vijay Kumar Kopala Garu. HOD Civil, Dr. K. Suresh Garu. HOD ECE, Dr. ENV Purnachandra Rao Garu. HOD Triple Dr. G. Devadas Garu. HOD H&S, Dr. M. Chandrasekhar Reddy Garu. HOD IT and jury member, Dr. KLS Saujanya Ma'am. HOD Mechanical, Dr. P. Ravikumar Garu. HOD MBA, Dr. A. Koteshwar Garu. We also have amongst us Dr. M. Suresh, Dean, Research and Development and SPOC of our Nodal Center, along with our Nodal Center authorities, L. Chandrasekhar Reddy Sir and Shivaskandala Sir, and also our respected jury members.
Let us now start this event with a special prayer song. I now request my dear friend Varsha to lend a voice for this auspicious start.
Good morning, one and all. Maitrim bhajata akhila hrijayatrim. Maitrim bhajata akhila hrijayatrim. Atmavadeva paranapi pashata. Atmavadeva paranapi pashata. त्यजता स्पर्धां त्यजत परेश्वर क्रममाक्रमणम् त्यजत परेश्वर क्रममाक्रमणम् मैत्रीं भजता अखिल हृजयत्रीं मैत्रीं भजता अखिल हृजयत्रीं जननी पृथ्वी कामधुकाते जनको देवः सकलदयालु मैत्रीं भजता अखिल हृजयत्रीम्. Thank you.
I now request Manish to brief about the further proceedings of the hackathon.
Good morning, everyone. So, before I begin with anything, I would like to first thank Dr. Suresh, our principal Narayana Garu, and our secretary Gopal Reddy Garu for giving us this opportunity and vesting upon us the responsibility to take care of Smart India Hackathon for this fourth edition. It's been a long week for all the participants and also the coordinators and the volunteers. We have been attending multiple online sessions, webinars, meetings to get all the threads together to make this event a grand success. The goal of the innovation to not be left behind is being adopted by all institutions across the nation, even during this pandemic, very strictly. So, and today I can very proudly say that CMA Group of Institutions has been a front runner in making this goal a success. So, recently we have concluded with a hackathon called DevJam, wherein multiple students from across the group of institutions have participated in a virtual hackathon and gave their ideas. It was something similar to what the Smart India Hackathon is happening right now. And for that, I would like to thank the management of CMR Group of Institutions for giving us the opportunity, because of which we could not only understand the technical aspects of the hackathon, but also we could understand how a hackathon works, and this is what is helping us today to conduct the Smart India Hackathon better. So, without any further delay, I would like to say that we are completely ready to make sure the hackathon is going to be a grand success for the next 3 days, and we are all set to make sure that it happens in that way. I'll be forever grateful to all my fellow teammates who are helping me to make sure that everything is sorted at the right time. We thank all the team leaders who have been very cooperative with us with finishing the work on time. There is a lot more to do, and we request you all to please cooperate with us throughout the hackathon. I would like to give a special mention to all the jury members who have joined us today. They have been very patient with us, and your cooperation with us is extremely helpful, sirs and madams. I'll be forever grateful to all of you. On this note, I would like to once again tell all the student teams participating in the hackathon and the evaluators who are giving their precious time for the hackathon that our team of volunteers will always be available at your service. Not just the participating teams and the evaluators, whoever is the stakeholder for the Smart India Hackathon, you can always contact us for any kind of service you require, and for sure there will be one of our team members present to help you all. And I would like to apologize for any inconvenience caused previously, or else if there is any inconvenience going to be caused up front because of any unavoidable reasons, please forgive us for that, and please cooperate with us for the next 3 days. And wishing all the participants the best of luck. I would like to request Tanuj to take over.
May I now request our guest of honor, Major Dr. V.A. Narayana Garu, Principal of CMR SET, to address the gathering.
Respected chief guest of today's event, in absentia, actually, Sri Mallareddy Garu, the chairman of CMR Group of Institutions, and also the Minister of the Government of Telangana is supposed to join. And we have Vice Chairman Dr. Sri Narsimha Reddy Garu, and our Secretary and Correspondent Sri Gopal Reddy Garu, other directors and principals of CMR Group of Institutions, and professors of CMR Group of Institutions, other faculty members, students, and also special jury members across the country. And in fact, I'm very proud to say that we have jury member joining from US also as part of this Smart India Hackathon. So good morning to you all, and I welcome you all to the fourth edition of Smart India Hackathon, Software Edition 2020. As you know, Smart India Hackathon is a nationwide initiative to provide the students with a platform to solve some of the critical problems and which we face in our daily lives, and thus to inculcate a culture of product innovation and a mindset of problem solving. And in fact, the first three editions of SIH 2017, 18, 19 proved to be extremely successful and was very fruitful. And where the out-of-box thinking of the young minds, especially the engineering students from across the India, have solved a lot of problems for the government. And as such, actually, the impact the students by developing a healthy spirit of competition among one another and as a team. And these technical solutions actually are the real world problems which are being provided by the central government, the state governments, and in fact, from last year onwards, the problem statements have been given by the private companies also, the industries, and wherein there is a chance of winning rupees 1 lakh as for each problem statement by the team. And it helps also the private organizations also now to give their opportunity the problems. And in addition adds it also adds additional branding value when the students from the institute compete at a national level hackathon with other competitors. And we are very proud today that one of our sister concerned college, CMR Technical Campus, a team is participating in the Smart India Hackathon, and the team has been shortlisted for, in fact, interacting with our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi Garu. So it's a very, very proud moment for our college, for our group of institutions. And the problem statements, there's a total received problem statements where 243 problem statements have been selected for the grand finale, and a total 1,081 teams are shortlisted for this software edition. And there are total 40 nodal centers have been selected to conduct the software edition. And CMR College of Engineering and Technology has been selected as the nodal center. And we are very proud that it is the third consecutive time that we are hosting this Smart India Hackathon, which happened in 2018, 19. It happened in our college. And today, because of this COVID-19 situation, we are doing it online. We are virtual, and it's from 1st to 3rd, and the 36-hour hackathon, which is there. And CMR College of Center has been allotted with 28 teams and with the 6 problem statements, and that too from Government of Andhra Pradesh has provided the 6 problem statements. And I, on behalf of the Nodal Center of CMR College of Engineering and Technology, wishes all the participants of SIH 2020 all the very best. In the time of this huge crisis, our teams of student and faculty coordinators at CMR College of Engineering are taking a huge step to reach a suitable goal with enthusiasm, determination, and dedication in order to make this purposeful event a grand success. I once again congratulate the complete team of CMR College of Engineering and Technology, and also the support given by our CMR group of institutions and other sister colleges in making this event. So once again, my student volunteers have done a wonderful job, and the faculty coordinators have done a good job. And we have 17 jury members who have agreed to be part of this. So I once again thank them for taking out their valuable time. So once again, big thanks and to Sri Gopal Reddy Garu for giving us this opportunity to host this. So once again, all the best to the participants. Everybody are the winners. You are here, and you out of around 8 to 10 lakh students, those who applied, there are only 1,000 teams participating. That is, only 5,000 students have reached the grand finale. That itself is a big success for you, and I hope that you will do very well, and this will help you in making your career and getting good placements. Thanks, and all the best to all the participants. Manish, please take over.
Thank you, sir. May I now request our chief guest of today's ceremony, Sri C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, Secretary and Correspondent, CMR Group of Institutions, to address the gathering.
Yeah. So, Principal Dr. B.A. Major Narayana Garu and other principals of CMR Group of Institutions, directors and HODs, professors, jury members, and participants of SIH. Good morning to all of you. So first of all, I wholeheartedly welcome you for this grand finale of SIH 2020 nationwide Smart India Hackathon. So a very proud moment that CMR group of institutions is hosting this event consecutively third time. And there are 40 nodal centers in a country. So we are one among them. CMR College of Engineering and Technology is hosting SIH 2020 software edition, and that too in consecutively third time. So coming to the SIH is impacts students by developing a healthy spirit of competition amongst the one another as a team, and offer technical solutions to real world problems, and get a chance to win prizes over 1 lakh worth for each problem statement. And it helps the private organization to provide problem statements to the participants from all over the country, getting optimal solution for them, and also opportunity to hire potential future employees. It adds an additional branding value when students from this institute compete at national level hackathon with other competitors. The problem statements were submitted by central departments, state ministries, and industries. So based on this submission, around 243 problem statements have been selected for grand finale, and 1081 teams were shortlisted for software edition. So CMR College of Engineering and Technology, which is the nodal center for SIH 2020 software edition, and out of which 28 teams are participating through our nodal center, and 6 problem statement given by government of Andhra Pradesh, and they have to solve in 36 hours, which is starting from today, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd to day after tomorrow, ending on 3rd August. So it's a very big event, and we are very proud that and we are for supporting. I'm very thankful to the SIH team also for giving us opportunity to conduct consecutively third time, and also I thank you for the CMR team for organizing in a well disciplined manner. So I once again wish you all the best, and on behalf of CMR College of Engineering and Technology, I wish all the participants for very best and grand success. Thank you.
Thank you,
Over to
sir. May I now request Sri C.H. Srisailam Reddy Garu, Secretary and Correspondent, CMR Engineering College, to address the gathering.
Respected Sri C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, Secretary and Correspondent of CMR Group of Institutions, Dr. B.A. Narayana Garu, Principal CMR College of Engineering and Technology, all our group principals, professors, deans, and jury members, and our students, a very good morning to one and all. Firstly, I welcome you all to this 4th edition of Smart India Hackathon 2020. This is the 4th edition, and firstly, I congratulate our college to be the consecutively 3rd time to be the nodal center for hosting this Smart India Hackathon. As you all know, Smart India Hackathon is a nationwide initiative to provide students with a platform to solve the real-time problems. So this has been started in the year 2017. So many real-time problems of the government side, it has been solved. I think in this year, especially from the private sectors also, the problem statements has been included and students have been actively participated. Really, I think all our students has to utilize this. Not only after this program, I think these kind of problem statements in the future, you have to solve this in your mini and major projects. So it will be an habit in solving the real-time projects, and this will help you to become an entrepreneur. So I once again congratulate all our students who are participating in this Smart India Hackathon, and also the organizers who are organizing this in the Smart India Hackathon 2020. I wish all the best to the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. Vijay Kumar Garu, Head of Nodal Center, CMR SET, to address the gathering.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, judges, jury members, organizers, spectators, and most importantly, Smart India 2020 participants. Warm welcome to online Smart India Hackathon 2020 Software Edition. We CMR College of Engineering and Technology organized last editions of Smart India Hackathon. I would like to thank Government of India for conducting this event. This boosts the students with great energy in this COVID-19 pandemic. Everyone in this world waiting eagerly for the vaccine of COVID-19. World innovators or solution finders are working around the clock since 6 months. Similarly, all SAH participants are working for solutions to various problems. Your efforts make someone's life better. All the best to SAH participants. Thank you, Dehi. Over to Manish.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. M. Jangareddy Garu, Director, CMR Institute of Technology, to address the gathering.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. B. Satyanarayana Garu, Principal, CMR Institute of Technology, to address the gathering.
Or- uh, Good morning to Good morning to everyone. Respected Secretary C.H. Gopaleddy Garu and governing body member Sri Shalam Reddy Garu, Dr. V. Narayana Garu, CMR Set Principal, and Dr. M. Jangareddy Garu, our Director, CMR IT, and Principal Dr. Srinivasu Reddy Garu, the CMR Engineering College, and Ablu Garu, Principal CMR Pharmacy, Raj Reddy Garu, Principal CMR Technical Campus. And good morning to everyone. And let me congratulate and thanks to our Secretary C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu to provide this opportunity to conduct the SIH in our CMR group of institutions. And I feel it's very privileged to join this program because I joined I worked as the jury member in the first SAH 2018 conducted program, and this is the second time to act as the jury member in this case. And I'm very thankful to our management and our director and all the college members. And I wish you all the best to participants because this is the right platform to use their ideas to provide the good betterment to the society, because these the problems are presently all the people are facing in our society, to avoid even some problems and so on, and that will help the society to for the better life. So I congratulate all the participants and I say good, all the best to all the participants. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. Konde Ablu Garu, Principal, CMR Pharmacy, to address the gathering.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Could you please unmute yourself?
Hello, is it audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Please continue, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Respected Secretary Sri C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, Management Member Sri Sailam Reddy Garu, and Principal Dr. V.A. Narayana sir, CMR sir, and Director M. Jangareddy sir, Principal Satyanarayana sir, and Director Technical Campus Raj Reddy sir, and Principal CMR EC Srinivasulu Reddy Garu, and the participants. Very good morning to you all. And this is the third consecutive time the CMR Set is organizing the Smart India Hackathon. I wish all the best, and it's really a good credit to CMR Set and CMR Group of Institutions for hosting this kind of prestigious event. Certainly, the participants have to utilize this opportunity and make something new for the country, which is definitely going to be useful. And I wish you all the best for the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. A. Rajireddy Garu, Director, CMR Technical Campus, to address the gathering.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Respected Secretary Sri C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, CMR Group of Institutions, and the management members Sri Sailam Reddy Garu, the host Principal CMR College of Engineering and Technology Dr. V.A. Narayana Garu, and other sister concerned institutions, principals, directors, and the coordinator, especially the HOD Dr. Vijay Kumar, and coordinator Dr. Suresh, and jury members, professors, heads of the departments, and my dear participants. At the outset, first let me congratulate the CMR Set for hosting this event for consecutively third time. It's really a proud moment and a privilege to have this kind of event, national event, at our CMR Group of Institutions for third time consecutively. And I'm also happy that one of our team, Narcots, is participating today, and they have been given a center, nodal center, that is MLR-IT. So, my dear participants, if you look at this particular situation, COVID-19, and we are safe and we are connected, we are continuing our teaching learning process just because of the technology. So we should be thankful to the technology, and being a technocrat, and it's a honors, the lot of honors on our part is to see the betterment of the humankind. In fact, if you see, the vaccine or medicines are not only the doctors or scientists are inventing, the engineers are taking a part. Most of the inventions during this particular 4 months COVID-19 time, technocrats are doing wonderful. You know pretty well that IIT Delhi has come up with a kit for the COVID-19 test kit by engineers for 400 rupees. So this is we can't say that we are not part of this society. So we are all part of this society. We can all do wonders, and this kind of events will throw a challenge, and a challenge always gives us an opportunity. So we grab the opportunity and take these challenges to further forward and for the betterment of the humankind. And wish all the best for all the participants. You have come up to this level itself is a success. And there is no, whether you win or lose doesn't matter, but you are here to show something from your side. So with this, once again, I thank CMR Set, the authorities, management, and all for giving this opportunity. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. A. Srinivasulu Reddy Garu, Principal, CMR Engineering College, to address the gathering.
So, thank you, Manish. I respected management of CMR Group of Institutions, especially Secretary and the correspondent of CMR Group of Institutions, Sri C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, other management member, and our CMREC Secretary, Sri C.H. Sri Sailam Reddy Garu, my other fellow colleagues, the principals of various colleges, and especially the host college principal, Sri Dr. Major V.A. Narayana Garu, other professors, organizers, jury members, and my dear participants, especially today. This is a auspicious and a very opportunity for very great day for all you. India is a great nation. Institutions are the temples of knowledge centers, and thus I think you are standing as engineers as a backbone to the particularly to the nation through these kind of participations. So especially this SAH, as our group secretary Gopal Reddy garu said, this is a platform for innovative solutions which really serves the society. So that's where you are all proud of our nation. I just got to know that our sister concerned college TC campus NARCO team got an opportunity to interact with our Prime Minister. Means it's at a small thing in the life of any student. So I think you are the future nation. So that's where I believe you make use this opportunity rightly, and thus prove that engineers make the world. As one of our director Raj Reddy sir was telling, yes, not only any professional like doctors or scientists, but this student community, especially the engineers, really change the face of the nation and hence the world. I congratulate for CMR set for hosting such a grand event for the past consecutive 3 years. I think the effort of all the CMR is set professors will be definitely appreciated because say it is the teamwork that you have been doing under the leadership of Dr. Major V.A. Narayana Garu, especially the coordinators, say Dr. Vijay Kumar Garu and Dr. Suresh Garu. Congratulations to you. I hope all of you will be coming, enjoying these 36 hours of particularly this hackathon, and you will be coming up with innovative solutions, and which will be definitely boosting your moral, and thus you will become the future nation scientists or maybe the great citizens of India. With this, I thank all the organizers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, and have a wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dean, Training and Placement, Himabandu ma'am, to speak a few words.
Respected dignitaries in the session, respected Gopal Reddy sir, management CMR group of institutions, respected principals, deans, my fellow colleagues, very good morning to one and all. I would first of all like to thank all the jury members who will I know will find it really tough to evaluate the young talent for the next 36 hours. So I'm sure it's a challenge all the way because all these students who have made it to the mark are the most challenging ones. Given the current situation of COVID, it's really necessary for the entire country to gear up to larger challenges that we are likely to face in terms of economy or in terms of several other challenges to make our country more expansive in terms of technology. I'm sure this platform, Smart India Hackathon, is one such platform which empowers the youth in order to make them realize that they are the future of the country. And there we are getting one of the best ones on the finalist role, which will find the solutions to the problems given or existing problems that are already challenging for the government and the other stakeholders who are participating in this event. I wish all the participants a great exposure or learning and all the best to the solutions that you're likely to find for the next 36 hours. I congratulate the organizing team, the student volunteers for making such a wonderful event happen. I know there are always challenges holding this event virtually, but that is the need of the hour, and that's going to be the new normal. So this is one way that we are all getting used to this way of working towards better lives. I wish all the participants all the very best and have a great 36 hours ahead. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity to speak on this platform.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now request Dean, Planning and Development, Dr. M. Sudhakar Garu, to speak a few words.
Manish.
Manish, Dr. Lokeshwar Rao, Dean Academics is
Dean Academics.
okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
May I now request Dean Academics and Head of SEER, Dr. B. Lokeshwar Rao Garu, to speak a few words.
In the middle, I think there is an audio problem. Go to the next Dean, Dr. Fatima Mary Madam and Dr. Srinivas Rao.
Okay. May I now request Dean, Faculty and Student Affairs, Professor S.B. Fatima Mary Ma'am, to address the gathering.
Okay, I think Tanuj, there is a problem of the audio. Okay, let us go ahead. Continue with the next. Now, what is the next to this one? Please go ahead.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
I think 8:40 we need to join there also. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now I request Dr. Suresh to give the vote of thanks for the event.
A very warm good morning to one and all. So, respected dignitaries over here who have joined along with me today on this virtual inaugural session of Smart India Hackathon 2020 Software Edition. I appreciate all the people who have joined along with us today. So, thank you so much. And here this is the situation to express my vote of thanks. So, for this, please, I will share my vote of thanks. We deem it our honor to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the institution CMR College of Engineering and Technology. So here, first of all, we express our heartfelt gratitude to MHRD, AICT and SIH committee for associating with us and making our institution a nodal center. I thank everyone for this support, and we thank the jury for being a part of this event and giving us the precious hours of their valuable time and encouraging us and encouraging the students also well with their mentoring along with the students. We thank our management and principal sir for giving us the opportunity to host this event of such grandeur. So especially from last 3 months onwards, whatever the work we are doing and the support also we got from the management. So I express a gratitude to all the management members and all the higher authorities of our institution. Next, we extend our gratitude to all the participants for providing their services for greater innovations that would be beneficial to the country. We also thank our chief guests who are present today here, and not only that, in the last moment, all the principals, directors who have been joined along with us. So they accepted our invitation and they have joined and they made this and they graced this session virtually and encouraged all the participants. So I really honored for each and every guest today who have joined along with us. Next, last but not the least, especially here, I would like to express my wholehearted gratitude to especially the students, that means especially to the Manish and team, the student volunteers who have been trying to tie all the loose ends together in making this event a grand success. Because the Smart India Hackathon itself means it's a student event So here in our institution, especially this event has got this much of success means without students it won't be possible. So I encourage, I wholeheartedly congratulate all the on behalf of higher authorities of the institution to each and every one-to-one student. I'm expressing my wholehearted appreciation and thanks to all the student volunteers for making this event grand success. And thank you everyone for giving this opportunity, and we'll do like such events in future too. And thank you everyone for joining along with us. So thank you so much. So with this, I conclude my session, my vote of thanks.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for joining us. Next, we have a national inauguration live on YouTube with Minister of HRD, Mr. Nishank Pokhriyal. So I request you all to please join there for the YouTube session. Thank you. Thank you all for joining.
For pick, we can take all. I request all the